So this is how you install a landscape light. First I'm going to cut that wire, and then I'm going to kind of pull them apart, and then I'm going to strip the wires right afterwards. So you see me doing all of that. Now I'm going to use these wire strippers, strip them. Then pretty much the next step is just to match up your ribbed wire and your smooth wire. And so that's what I'm doing right there. Stripping a little bit more. I didn't like how that was. So lastly, I'm going to take the lead for the light and connect it to my main wire I got. And I'm going to keep ribbed to match up with ribbed and the smooth matched up with the smooth wire. This little connection uses an Allen wrench and it tightens down on the wire. And then I'm going to put my heat shrink on, and then I will line up the ribbed wire with the ribbed wire, and then the smooth wire with the smooth wire. After you line those up, you go ahead and tighten them all back down, and that is what I'm doing there. Then you're going to cover it back with that heat shrink. You do want to test the voltage at this point, make sure it's all good, and then you can use your torch or a heat gun, just keep that flame away, and go ahead and heat everything up. If it's not sealed good, just throw some electrical tape on it.